It's amazing. I think the boys did a great job tonight. Wasn't easy, playing 3 games in 10 or 11 days with travel. But it's a start of something new. And I think we show some character and personality tonight. And I think, again, it's a start of something new. I'm very proud of the boys, and hopefully we can keep going from here on in.
And then after the goal scored?
Yeah, at that moment, I was telling myself, how can I make the save? I tried to get him nervous a little bit. I think I did. I was able to get a touch on it, but unfortunately I wasn't able to keep it down. But that's how it goes. The most important thing is, we won the game, so we're just gonna enjoy it. Things like this is gonna happen in the game. You go down a mine, you stay calm. You go down a goal, you stay calm. You go up a goal, you stay calm. And I think that's what we did tonight. We show that we can play from behind. And we did that very well tonight, and we were able to get a win, so that's very good for us.
All right, going forward, Andre, tell us the next step.
The next step is to keep building, and the preparation for the next World Cup campaign starts now. It's never too early, and I think we have a very good group of guys right now, and we just have to keep building, keep getting better, and it would be amazing to see where we are in the next 4 years if we continue to play like this.
All right, good luck, Blake. Have a good rest of the season.
All right, thanks.